Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can scale the UI interface on Figma. For example, if you'd like to see elements of the Figma UI interface here in larger fonts or letters. So let us guide you through this and show you how to do it. It is actually very simple. So guys, if you're accessing Figma via Google Chrome, for example, all you need to do to adjust or to change the interface, UI interface size is simply click on these three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser and click into zoom here, and to adjust your zoom level by clicking on minus or plus to make the text smaller or bigger, just like that. So as you can see, if I click on plus, the UI interface is being scaled, and if I click on minus, we see the reverse effect with the font and the letters getting smaller. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you scale the UI interface on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.